So guys, I just my hair. So my husband just dey busy for kitchen since I dey wonder wetin he dey cook. So he don boil rice. I'm very he dey dish out the food. Hey, see this stew. Na yesterday he cook this stew. This stew is so it's so yummy. My husband dey cook for Africa. Dey cook he sabi cook o. So they dish out the rice now. No, we eat, okay? So we never eat since this is now our lunch. Papa Greta one.
Yes. I have arrived.
My husband dey cook o. Well, I'm not looking like that o. Okay, oh, let's eat. Rejoice, come and eat. See the one we dish out for Rejoice. He don't abandon na he no wan gree eat o. So me I wan eat.
I better leave my Rejoice when they come.
Guys, Muna join us o. Hey, Ryan, come. Taste one. Taste one. No? You don't want? Yeah, come and eat. Come. Oh my God. So, we just like to eat with hands. Ryan, eat now. Here. Yeah, eat.
This is good to me.
Ryan, eat.
I am.
No good fish. No. Don't draw it. Ryan say no, put on here. This now we are playing with it. Now hand you just say they eat too. Hand. At times you see they use spoon. But most time now hand do it. It's fine. Madam Grey. Enjoyment no go kill me like. Egg. Enjoyment no go kill me like. Hey, Rejoice, where are you?
Oh.
Five. Six.
We just dey eat finish now. Oh my God, that still tastes so good. I really enjoy the food. So yeah, we don't eat finish. So I want you just quick wash all these plates so we take eat. Wash them. Then wash this oven. Then wash oven. This oven is very dirty. So when I take roast fish yesterday, yeah. So I want wash them. So after I wash and finish, then I'll go take my bath, then wash my hair. Yeah, I wash my hair. My hair don't dey long go, guys. My natural hair don't dey grow. Don't dey long, So yeah.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you day bust my brain every night and day. Daddy, where they pamper, Daddy, where they bless. Forever you're my father, now you they give me rest. When I look around, I'll see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now you will be the best. Daddy, where they power, Daddy, where they bless. Forever you're my father, now you they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees, now you will be the best. Daddy, where they pamper, Daddy, where they bless. Forever you're my father, now you they give me rest. When I look around, I'll see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now you will be the best. Daddy, 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 oh, Daddy, 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 with the pamper. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now you will be the best. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around, turned it around. What the enemy meant for my downfall, God has turned it around for my good. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around. He has turned it around. What the enemy meant for my downfall, God has turned it around for my good. Now I can see everything turning around.